Remember vacations? You know, those things where you could go to cool places and have lots of fun? Traveling makes people happy. But have you noticed? It seems like pretty much everything has gotten a lot more expensive lately. You still want to travel, but that great trip is starting to feel more like a dream than something you can actually afford to do. Well, we've got some good news for you. What if you could book travel at wholesale rates? We're talking up to 80% or more below retail. Well, get ready. It's time to get bit by the travel bug again. You see, travel does more than put a smile on your face. Did you know Happy Science shows hundreds of studies connecting travel with elevated happiness, stress relief, reduced anxiety, and strengthened social connections and relationships? Wow, that's some bug. Travel equals happiness. It's experiences and memories that warm your heart and stick with you the longest. We just think you shouldn't have to pay retail for happiness. Introducing HappiTravel, the world's premier wholesale travel platform, offering instant access to insane value, no strings attached. Yep, that's right. Wholesale travel. No catches, no blackout dates, no limit on savings, and it's completely free to join. Plus, you have the option to upgrade and book travel at the even lower Happy price rate. The cost is typically less than the amount you'll save immediately. It's the ultimate no-brainer. But wait a second. Wholesale rates, and it's free to join? With no monthly fees? How is this possible? Happy Travel leverages contracts with top-tier travel providers. Yes, the same big travel brands you know and love. But instead of marking up the price to pay for expensive TV ads and celebrity endorsements, we pass the savings directly to you. Sign up for free right now, and you'll receive a Happy Pass that you can use for unlimited access to book at wholesale rates, no strings attached. So what are you waiting for? Let the travel bug bite you once again, and start enjoying the happiness benefits of travel.